बुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते। ॐ चन्द्रमा मनसो जात चक्षुः सूर्यो अजायत श्रोत्राद्वायुष प्राणशमुखा।
No, you're not taking that away. You're not taking. Why? Absolutely. Sorry, sir. So while I'm asking you to get this, you look at the picture. Look there. Look behind. And I'm going to have everybody on the dais wearing that shawl. So we would request you to keep this on. And the flowers of course. Please, ISL. Please do that. Okay, okay. I do.
It's one of the frontiers of research that is being conducted, and especially in the field of medicine, it is something that is really working miracles in some ways, and also promising for the future that many diseases for which there are no good cures, or cures which are very expensive or very difficult to treat, those kind of diseases, those kind of syndromes, those can be tackled through gene therapy. So it is a really cutting edge technology that is at work today. Science is definitely has just revolutionized the way we look at ourselves, especially in the field of health and medicine. Before modern medicine, everything was based on trials, and everything was based on without a proper understanding of what actually is happening. We've had so many traditional methods of medicine. The advent of modern science, nobody could really figure out what was happening. So it was all theoretical understanding of the subject. But once they discovered the cell, and once they could peer through a microscope and see what constitutes a cell and what are the various functions of that cell, that's when the whole field opened up, and that's when they could really figure out what is happening inside the body, what organ is doing, what are the functions of each organ, and how it is working. The workings of the body it was opened up. Like how our telescope opened up our understanding of the universe, the microscope cures so many diseases, has been able to understand so many things, and it's been able to help our people to live longer lives. So you can imagine in 1947, when we got independence, the lifespan of an average Indian was around 31, 32 years old. That was the life of an average Indian. Today, a life of an average Indian is 70, almost 70 years, 69, 70 years. A person born in 1947, most of them would have died by the age of 32, or even 90. So that's what science is doing. And now the biggest revolution, I think, in modern medicine and in the future is going to be this gene therapy and biosciences, what we call as understanding the very root of various diseases, various cancers which are genetic in nature. Like you have so many diseases like sickle cell anemia, which affects a small percentage of the population, which is a genetic inheritance, and it leads to very short lifespan, and there was no cure. Even in Karnataka, we have got sickle cell anemia patients, especially in the tribal regions of Karnataka. So it is it's inherited genetic. To ensure that when they marry each other, that particular gene that exists, there is a screening process that is being done so that they do not marry within that a specific way of, after understanding the gene, they should not marry a particular partner. So that's a way of ensuring that that gene is not transmitted to. This cutting edge research and cutting edge science to help people to be able to see and to solve problems which are connected to the eye. So I want to congratulate her for having organized this event. I think she's been doing it on a regular basis, and it's the first time I am attending. And this conference will encourage people, and I'm sure, to understand more of this field, more of the subject, and to see how our young people can get more interested. There's a lot of scope for research, a lot of scope for.
Oh my God, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, sir.
Panda, 30 ಕೋಟಿ ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ನಾಯಿ. Panda bird.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಸರ್
ಕೋಟಿ ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ನಾಯಿ ಪಾಂಡ.
ಸರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮೇಡಮ್
ಏನಪ್ಪ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
ಸರ್ 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 ಸತೀಶ್ ಸರ್
ಸರ್ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಸರ್
ಉತ್ತಮ್
ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಮೇಡಮ್
ಸರ್
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಹಿಂದೆ ನೀವು
ಇದು ಪಾಂಡ ನಾಯಿ 30 ಕೋಟಿ ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ಇದು ಪಾಂಡ ಅಪರೂಪದ ತಳಿ ಇದು. ಇದರ ಮೌಲ್ಯ 30 ಕೋಟಿ. ಕೋಟಿ ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ನಾಯಿ.